Hi, I'm Russell from RH Wood Floors. I'm here today to talk about glue, different glue types, and particularly polymer elastic glue. Now, glue as we know it is wood adhesive, yeah, wood adhesive, as it says on the tin. Good for gluing different pieces of wood together, but not good for gluing down a wood floor. This simply sets solid. If you want to glue down a wood floor, be it a parquet floor or a strip floor, to solid, you need a modern elastic glue. Modern elastic glue will come in a tub such as this. You simply trowel it on with a notch trowel, so you are leaving notches of glue throughout the floor. And the big thing about it is when it's finished, it's elastic. So it will allow the wood to expand and contract, and it will pull it back into place each and every time. Huge problem years ago when they didn't have elastic glue, all they had was tar, bitumen. And the bitumen after 30 or 40 years becomes solid. As you can see, there is no elasticity in it. So as your floor, wood is always moving, it's hygroscopic. As your floor is always moving throughout the years and the bitumen becomes hard, then there's simply nothing holding the boards as such. So you see a lot of the older boards that were put in a couple of 100 years ago are loose in spots, or in fact they're flowing like the sea where they have expanded. And that's because the bitumen has simply crystallized and become hard. So our modern day equivalent is the elastic polymer glues. They cost quite a bit, but they hold your block in place forever, and a great product to use. Thank you for watching RH Wood Floors.